Hi, dear friends, welcome to Top Education. In this session, we are doing ACA Chapter 3, that is Internal Reconstruction. So, guys, first of all, we should know what is internal reconstruction. So, making internal arrangements for overcoming financial difficulties. For example, guys, here the company is facing more of losses. Okay? So here the company is affected. The company, see, for example, I can say you there is company A, and from 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20. So these all years they have faced a loss, that is also continuous loss. And here also they had also something called 50% of profit. Okay, so they had 50% of profit, but they also had continuous losses in this all financial years. Actually, what happened here was the 50% profit was from the other source, not from this company. Okay, so by this only the reconstruction, the internal reconstruction has been done. Why we are doing this internal reconstruction? For like there are some assets which are not useful, or some, we can say, a few types of shares which are useful actually. Okay, so we'll sell them, or we'll buy back, or we will give them buyback of shares, buy back of shares, where the company purchased all the not all but 25% of shares and debentures. Again they will buy back. So here that is known as internal reconstruction. Okay, so why we are doing this is the overvaluation of assets and undervaluation of what liabilities, and then the continuous loss. Now guys, we'll see the pro forma also, how the general entries has to pass. Okay, so let's go to forma. Okay, see the accounting entries on the internal reconstruction. The first is entry for share capital reduce without changing the face value of the shares. If this line repeats in the question, or this will come actually, so share capital account to capital reduction or reconstruction account, this you have to write. Next entry, if face value of the share is also changed on the if face value of the share is also on reduced of capital, a new category of share is created. See, actually this entry will repeat only like in 100 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 99% ತರ ಈ entry, this entry will appear more and more. Share capital account old to share capital account new. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಇತ್ತು ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದು ನ್ಯೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಪಕ್ಕ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Entry where rate of dividend on preference share is changed under the scheme of reconstruction. If there is something scheme and all the reconstruction, so preference share capital account old to preference share capital new. This is only like entry where it is matches, that's it. Entry when the debenture holder and the creditors are also ready to reduce their claim against company. If the question comes, the creditor is ready to reduce, so debenture account debtor, creditor account debtor to capital redemption account. This 3 is ಈ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, or 2 entries in this 4. Got it? Entry in the case of appreciation in the value of any assets. See, assets, machinery assets to 5 rupees first. Now they have made 10, so that 10 we have to record here. Appreciation. Okay, next we'll go. entry if any contingent liability matures and is to be paid immediately, the following entry can be passed. ಸಿ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಲಿಯಾಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, ಅದು ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗೇನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ದಿ ಮೆಚ್ಯೂರ್ಸ್ has to be paid immediately. So capital redemption account it ought to liability payable direct. Liability payable account it ought to bank account. If we are paying from the capital redemption, then this entry. If we are paying from the bank or we are receiving something, this entry. Next, entry for utilizing the amount of capital reduction to write off accumulated losses. If there is something loss and all, capital reduction account to profit and loss, to preliminary expenses, discount, goodwill, trade asset, payment, copyrights to assets account. Ido when if the accumulated losses written accumulated lot ado question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು question understand ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, for transferring any balance left in the capital reduction account to capital reserve account, ಈ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ redemption account we have to prepare, where all the assets, all the liabilities ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ನಾವು ಜನರಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪಾಸ್, ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ and journal entries also, both, and then we'll have what we call the balance sheet. That is for this 3 will come for 14 marks. Very easy to understand, just understand guys. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe our channel Top Education. Thank you.